Welcome fellow trimmers. I have an impromptu Friday unboxing. I couldn't be more excited. So this is a trimmer that I've actually followed online for a while. You might know him from a show called Twisted Metal, I believe. I don't watch television, so everything I've been seeing him on has been social media. He's actually dropped a couple videos on upholstery, audio, and tech, which I appreciate that support. And from seeing those videos, he was talking about these shotgun door handles. That's what I have in the box. It did not come from this box retailer. Let's go ahead and open it up, show you a little what he has, and a little bit about what it is. I'm really excited to have these in-house. I've seen them, like I said, on social media quite a bit. Kind of curious to how they worked and how they functioned. I did understand a little bit how they were designed, how they were built. Starting out with just a nice basic door handle, and then it's got this slot here as I pull the actual bracket out. Let me slide this over to the side. So this is the bracketry, and what it's going to do is you'll mount this to the door, and when you pull this right here, that's going to be your handle to open the door. Now on the 57 Signature Series build I have going on, it's going to be really efficient because there are no other buttons on this vehicle. So all the handles have been replaced except for the door handle. You have your small vent window, of course the window crank that makes it go up and down. Everything's been converted to power. Now we can do the door handle. What we'll do is we'll mount this in place. You'll be able to give it a nice little pull back. Actually, back's going that way. Pull back like that and it'll open the door. This gives us a completely open slate to do our design on, giving us the design patterns that we want to put in place without compromising the functionality of the door and still giving it a clean, sleek design. Now this is the door handle that we're going with, or the door pull. You can see there's a nice little slit in the back side of it where it'll slide right into this here, just like so. And then we'll go ahead and we'll put some mounting screws in there. Now that'll get into a little more of the install process. I'm super excited. I can't wait to install. And while we're talking about Trimmers products, I do want to bring up the Twisted Artisan collection behind me. There's 17 colors available. I have about 10 up on Shopify now in my TikTok store, as well as some Twisted Artisan shirts. You can show your support by ordering through either one of those channels. If you look through the green screen here, I've given you a little teaser of what's coming next. It's a personal ride. I can't wait to get started on that. Just a little teaser there. Once again, I want to say thanks to HMI Interiors. That's Heath Moore Interiors out of Texas. I hope you guys follow this install, and I can't wait to show you the finished results.